YouTube, what is poppin', gang? I like to say thank you for tuning back in to another video, man. I wouldn't be here without you guys. Today you probably have already read the caption. We're gonna hit the Ralph Lauren store once again. They got some big sales going on. I'm going there and see what they have. You guys, check this out, man. I've been promoting, but I don't promote my Instagram. So my Instagram is at Scotty_Nino. I'm gonna tag that at the bottom so y'all can see it. Listen, y'all, go follow my Instagram because I don't want you guys to miss out on other outfits that I do. Now, all my outfits, I don't really show off on YouTube because I know you guys have a set selection of what you guys want to see. Or if you guys want me to start just showing you all my outfits that I put together, just let me know. But if you haven't already, make sure you go follow my Instagram. I got to run my IG up this year. I do not show any love to my Instagram. But yes, as I was saying, I think Ralph Lauren is having another 40% off sale, followed by 25%. I have to read it again. If I have the picture, I'll tag it in the video. So now, I wanted to stop by Grapevine, but I think Grapevine, they may not be doing their next store setup until, it's supposed to be sometime this month. So I be trying not to show you guys the same stuff that you've seen over and over. But yeah, you guys, let's get up here. Let's see what they have in the store. Let's do it. guys, shout out to the good people over there at Grapevine Muse at the Poloralphlauren outlet over there. They took care of me today. I did end up grabbing something out of there. Let me show you guys. We ended up going with this hoodie right here. This gray and maroon hoodie because I actually had some kicks that I want to pair it up with. Now they had this hoodie as well in black and this same maroon, but I didn't want to do black on black. So let me show you guys the kicks that I want to pair this up with. And these sneakers are these Jordan 12s. Y'all don't get me wrong, I don't know how to pronounce this. I just like the colorway. I'm a nerd. Like, I don't know, my sneakerhead days are long behind me. I just buy kicks now for the outfit. But I did want to pair these up with this hoodie right here. Let me show y'all how this is. Okay, now I didn't know, now it is a slight off. Looking at it, I just seen the maroon in this shoe and tried to go with the maroon with this. This is something that I can try to pull out still, but I'm gonna still pull it off, you know. I'm confident in what I got on. I just want to bring this to you guys to see what we did end up purchasing today, you know. But I'm still gonna pull this off, that's the point. So you get the concept. I wanted to put this maroon with this. I thought this was a little darker, even if I would have grabbed the one that was all black, just like this. It probably would have been the same thing because the color concept is the same. So as you guys can see, yeah, these Jordan 12s right here with this hoodie. And once again, shout out to the good people over there at Grapevine Muse, man. They took care of me. As far as this video, I tried to put together what I could with those guys putting up another floor set soon. So you guys, make sure you guys stay tuned. Comment down below any items in the store that you like, you seen or whatever. There was one item in the store that I regret not purchasing. You guys probably don't know what it is watching this video. So until next time, man, I appreciate each and every one of y'all. Continue to stay tuned. Oh, and yo, if you haven't already, please go subscribe to my Instagram. Like I told you, my Instagram, I gotta run it up this year. And once again, thank each and every one of y'all for tuning in with your boy.
Riding in the car, you probably can't even pronounce. Shawty got that ass, my tracks will truly make it bounce. Home run, hit her for the hometown. In the long run, killing with my own sound. Niggas vibes are out because I'm on now. Way up and I stay up like a drone now. Can't say sorry if I hit you with the mix. It's probably cause you hit me with the switch. Hey, K-Man clubbing every time we hit the Ville. Tropicana twister, baby girl, just wanna